Hey everyone, it's that EAS guy back with another emergency alert system scenario. This is a work of fiction, any relations to real-life events are purely coincidental. This presentation includes loud sounds that may be found disturbing. This presentation also includes valid emergency alert system tones, and if misused, can put the offender in a lot of legal trouble. The content creator will not be held responsible for anyone's misuse of valid emergency alert system tones. Viewer discretion is advised. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. At 2:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a chemical spill has occurred in Los Angeles due to a car crash which tipped over a semi-truck filled with a toxin. This toxin, H22, is extremely deadly and can kill with just a teaspoon. Symptoms of H22 sickness are the following, but not limited to: coughing blood, vomiting blood, bloody nose, bloody eyes, fatigue, and extreme aggression. Residents of Los Angeles are advised to do the following precautions: close all your windows, turn off all heating and air conditioning units, cover window and door cracks with tape or damp towels. H22 has a 100% mortality rate and has killed 150 people already. It has also put 1,500 in critical condition. Please tune to local news outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the California State Police. At 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, multiple reports coming from hospitals have come in that people who have died from the H22 toxin have allegedly came back to life and are attacking civilians. These people are in the streets attacking civilians with no regard for their own life. Riot police and the California National Guard have been called in to deal with the rioters. Wounded in the riots reportedly have had bite marks on them, then were falsely presumed dead, and then attack any person they see. It is advised that you stay in your home with all windows and doors locked. Riot police and the National Guard are getting sick with the H22 toxin. Quarantine and martial law may need to be put into effect. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for more information as it becomes available.
Evacuate Los Angeles now. I repeat, evacuate Los Angeles now. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the California State Police and the California National Guard. An immediate evacuation order is being put into effect for Los Angeles County. It has been confirmed that people who die of H22 are actually dead, but reanimate into zombie-like creatures. These creatures can be described with these characteristics: pale skin, red eyes, strong teeth, torn clothes, bite marks over body, slow movement, groaning noises, and extreme aggression towards humans. The infected are no longer human. I repeat, the infected are no longer human. These creatures aid attacking the human race. The only way to kill these creatures is to destroy or sever the brain. Refugee camps are being set up at Phoenix, Arizona; Reno, Nevada; Las Vegas, Nevada; Tucson, Arizona; Salt Lake City, Utah; and Sacramento, California. Freeway speed limits are now 150 miles per hour. So you can get away. The Army has been called in to deal with the situation. When you evacuate, bring food, water, clothing, a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio, a flashlight, and any sharp or blunt force weapon such as a gun, sword, knife, baseball bat, or a screwdriver. Stay tuned to local news outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. At 9:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Multiple states were completely overrun by zombies. These states include California, Arizona, Nevada, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, North Dakota, South Dakota, Iowa, Texas, Oklahoma, Nebraska, and Kansas. Canada and Mexico are also getting high numbers of zombies. Zombies are expected to spread into all of North and South America within the next week. The government has relocated to Honolulu. Hawaii's island countries will be fine as long as borders are kept closed. If anyone is seen attempting to enter Hawaii or Puerto Rico, they will be shot on sight without question. All residents in the continental United States and Alaska are advised to get into a fallout shelter with a month of food and water for your family. If no such shelter is available, block all your entrances with furniture. All of North America has been quarantined to slow the spread of zombies. A representative of Donald Trump will deliver a speech over the emergency alert system shortly. If you are bitten by a zombie, commit suicide by destroying or severing your brain immediately so you don't become a zombie. If you don't sever or destroy your brain, you will still become a zombie. It only takes 2 hours after being bitten for the virus to kill. If you encounter a zombie and are without a weapon, run away or cover yourself with a blanket. If you have a weapon other than a gun, attack the zombie and try to decapitate or sever the brain. Only use a gun if absolutely necessary. The noise of a gun will attract more zombies.
Ladies and gentlemen, a representative of the President.
Hello, I am a representative of President Donald Trump since he is currently being taken to an undisclosed location. I wish I could say good evening, but this could potentially be the worst evening in human history. As you know, zombies originating from Los Angeles has came to life from the H22 toxin being spilled. It has rapidly spread all over the western United States and there's many zombies in the east too. I want to say the situation will get better, but it's only going to get worse from here. Both North and South America are supposed to be completely overrun by zombies within a week. The United Nations will cooperate with us to push out the zombies from America, but this could take years, even decades. I advise all American citizens to stay home and armed in case one of these creatures break in. God bless America, and try to have a good day.
That was a message from the representative of the president. We now go back to the emergency alert system.
To local news outlets for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the White House. All clear, I repeat, all clear. The zombie attacks that started 3 years ago have all ended, a cure for H22 sickness has been developed and all zombies were killed. Around 75% of all of the USA's population are either killed or missing. Zombies are still out there, so residents are advised to remain vigilant at all times. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. Normal programming can now resume.